Not an uplifting song by any stretch of the imagination.
Not what?
Not an uplifting
Oops.
song.
No,
But I think I'm going to call it